Hi, Sammy.
Well, Julia, are you,
Am I what?
are you okay?
Yes, Sammy, I'm okay.
Yes, but, I mean, are you doing anything tomorrow?
Why?
Sorry, I know you're probably busy tomorrow. Meeting someone already.
Yes, maybe.
Oh, I see. Sorry.
Yes, maybe I'm meeting someone. If he asks me.
Great! Julia, would you like to go somewhere with me tomorrow?
Oh, I don't know, Sammy. Yes, of course, I'd love to.
Great!
What shall we do?
I don't know. What about running?
Why? I hate running.
Okay. Well, what do you like doing? Oh, but not cycling. I don't like cycling.
Do you like music? We could go to the opera.
My dad loves opera. He listens to it all the time.
Great! So...
But I can't stand it.
Okay, so no opera. Great.
What about sports? There's a football match in the afternoon.
I don't like football. It's noisy and boring. Hey, why don't we go to the museum?
Museum?
Oh, I see. Museums are boring.
What about the cinema?
Oh, so don't you want to talk to me?
Of course I do.
But we can't talk in a cinema, Sammy.
Oh, of course. You're right. Look, Julia, you don't want to go to the cinema and you're not interested in watching football.
Well, what about you? You don't understand opera. When you go to a museum, you go to sleep. You just want to run.
Julia!
Look, Sammy, I'm sorry. I think we're too different.
No,
we just don't like the same things.
No, I'm sure there's something we both like.
Yeah?
Yeah, probably, oh, I know.
What? Of course. Shopping.
Shopping.
I love shopping.
Me too.
I know. We could go to the department store.
Yeah, okay. And there's that new bookshop near to that.
Yes, I'd like to go.
Mau jago bahasa Inggris dalam waktu singkat? Hubungi kami di WhatsApp 08958638353881 sekarang.